Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Rex and Restoration. Today we got a fun one. It's a Hot Wheels twin mill. I got it in this condition along with another one in a little baggie at the local thrift store. Yes, it was already in pieces. Glass was in good condition. Interior was great condition, just needed a little bath. So I slapped the top half, the base, and the body in a little plastic pan. And I decided, well, I couldn't get the wires off. Hell, I couldn't even get them bent straight enough at the end. So I decided, well, I'll just strip it out here and be gentle and not get any on the little white plastic bearings. Luckily, the citrus stripper and the crummy Hot Wheels paint came right off. But I had a lot of oxidation on it, so I decided, well, I'll slip them in the lime away, see how they came out first. Then I put them on the wire wheel, and I lost that footage. I'm sorry. But they cleaned up very well. A little bit of primer. I had covered the wheels with some Tamiya masking tape. I said primer, I'm sorry. This is actually the paint. The color that best matched it was Tester's Lime Gold. Sorry for the crummy filming angles. That was the first coat. I wanted to go really light. While that was drying, I put the windshield, the interior, and the motors in a little hot soapy bath. Got them scrubbed up. Like I said, the windshield was in really, really good condition. No cracks, no scratches. Then I chromed with the Molotov chrome pin the motors. Got them all shined back up. After the windshield and the interior dried, I dipped them in the Pledge Revive It. And I decided to dip the interior in too, put a little shine on it. got to improve my filming capabilities. I'm so used to working by myself that I forget other people want to see it too. And I got this little baker oven, and I had put the body and the base in and left them on the warm setting for about 20 minutes. And here's all the pieces after they dried. Wasn't much to this one. The hardest part on the reassembly was getting the motors lined up perfectly and enough time to get the base on. Bright Vision had sent me my order of the wheels in time. My little wheel tool here. Look like a monkey screwing a football, trying to hold everything. Here's a little look back to where we started. Well played with, play worn, really chipped up and chewed up, in pieces. Here's what we ended up with. Like I said, those wheels were a little tough. I couldn't get the wires straightened out because they're welded in. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I got more to come. This is Opal saying goodbye.